Day 8 of Inktober. We have successfully crossed the first week of Inktober. Pretty happy with the results of the first 7 days. Your responses have been phenomenal. I have no words to describe how good I feel reading all these comments. Your encouragement from the comments, they are invaluable to me. Today's prompt is teeth. So this is not a rocket science to understand what teeth means. Here I have tried to sketch a female teeth. Teeth has got no male or female, but still the facial structure that has something to do with any kind of a drawing on any part of the face. So this is a face of a female, a reference photograph that I took from somewhere in Google. I started the drawing from the nose. That's what I think I would generally do, because in portraits you must have seen that I had always tried to do the top-down approach here also. And most importantly, when I'm not using a pencil, it is kind of advised that you start it from a certain point and then go on beyond that, because you have to do as minimal mistakes as you can. See, with ink drawings directly, you would definitely make mistakes, because the flow of ink from a ball pen, if you're using a ball pen like I do for sketches, here I'm doing that, at times the ball pen suddenly flushes out a lot of ink, and that doesn't look good at times, isn't it? Like a sudden splash of ink on a part where you did not want too much of darkness, that's not cool, right? So to kind of omit that, or kind of make the whole picture, the sketch, look better, I think inks along with water has definitely helped me. So that is why I have chosen ink with water. To know more about why I chose them, what exactly I'm using throughout this Inktober, and in fact I have got a question like, why don't you let us know that what materials you're using for Inktober? Then I must remind you that I made a complete video of it just before starting Inktober. I will put a link of that in this card here. You can see the card here in the top, so you can go and watch the video. These materials are very simple and easy, and if you are an Indian, then you would understand that these do not even cost I would say this would hardly cost $100. I'm sorry, 100 rupees. $100 is too much for us. So 100 rupees, that is kind of not even a dollar or few cents, right, in American US dollars. So the idea here was just from my end, like it is not official. I don't think Jake Parker or anybody who's trying to do Inktober has ever mentioned exact materials what you need to do. They have always mentioned that use ink for most part of your drawing. I have seen different artists use even colors. So the idea behind whole of Inktober is to draw every day and make it a habit to draw. So that is most important thing, that you need to draw, and since you are drawing every day, that will make you a better artist every day, obviously, because you would surely, anybody and everybody does mistakes. At least for art, I have seen all the big artists also do mistakes, at least on YouTube or different social media. I've seen them. But there are many artists who do not like to show their mistakes. But in Inktober, you have to, you do not have time to draw 2-3 drawings for a single day and then choose one. So that is the whole idea. Even if you are doing mistakes, you do it on the first day, you do it on the second, but on the third day you would know that no, this is not going right. I have to do some kind of changes, and that might make my art look better. So that is very, very important. See, I can assure you that I will draw even better on the coming days because I've seen the prompt list. The prompt list is very, very interesting. I'm sure you all have seen it because you guys are following Inktober, and there are ardent followers here. I have seen in my comments. As I said, your support has been immense. One thing in between, I would like to say that please subscribe to my channel because I'm getting a lot of views from non-subscribers, but that has not helped my channel. So if you please can subscribe my channel, then it is very good for me and my whole channel. So it takes a lot of time to draw and then edit the videos, you understand that, right? So please share this video with your friends and people who are kind of interested in drawing or any kind of art. I think they would like to see even art challenges. There are people who do not even know about Inktober. Yes, you might think that it is not possible. Everyone nowadays know about Inktober, but no, it's not the truth actually. There are many people I have had a chat with that they do not even know that Inktober exists. So we need to make sure that people indulge more on art, and we can do it by sharing. I have been sharing different art videos of small, big, medium YouTube artists and even other artists on social media. The links to all my other social media accounts will be present in the description, Instagram, Facebook page. So if you guys have not followed me there, please go and follow me. That will also encourage me a lot. I'll see you again tomorrow at the same time, and with a better drawing or a interesting prompt. This year's prompts are seriously very interesting, as I said. So see you then tomorrow. Till then, enjoy the magic, and bye bye. Have a nice day.